Cosori Air Fryer 9, in 1, compact and large. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about kitchen appliances of the year, the Cosori 9, in 1 air fryer. Whether you're a busy professional, a home cook looking to save time, or someone who just loves crispy food without the guilt, this air fryer promises to deliver versatility, capacity, and convenience. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Ice cube design and build quality. Right out of the box, the Cosori air fryer looks modern, sleek, and compact. It comes in a space-saving vertical design, which is perfect if you have limited counter space, but still want high performance. Despite its compact footprint, it boasts a 5-quart, or larger, depending on the variant capacity, making it ideal for 2 to 4 servings at a time, great for couples or small families. The touchscreen is intuitive and user-friendly. It lights up clearly with 9 cooking functions displayed front and center, so you don't have to guess what setting to use. The build quality is solid with BPA-free and PFOA-free materials, and the basket is dishwasher safe. Huge plus for easy cleanup. French fries features and functions. Let's break down those 9 cooking presets: air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, keep warm, and more. Whether you're crisping up French fries, baking muffins, or reheating leftovers, the Cosori has a preset for it. These modes are all one touch, which removes a lot of guesswork. One standout feature is the 360 degrees rapid heat circulation technology. It cooks your food evenly and quickly, up to 20% faster than a conventional oven. And you still get that crispy outside and juicy inside that air fryers are famous for. Fire performance. We put this air fryer to the test with a few recipes: chicken wings, sweet potato fries, and even a small banana bread loaf. And the results? Impressive. Chicken wings came out golden brown with that perfect crunch, no oil needed. Sweet potato fries were crispy on the outside and soft inside in just under 15 minutes. Banana bread baked evenly without burning or undercooking in the middle. Plus, the preheat and shake reminders are incredibly helpful, especially if you're multitasking in the kitchen. Noise level? Very quiet. It's far less noisy than some other brands we've reviewed, which is a nice touch for open-concept homes or late-night cooking. White Heavy Checkmark Pros. 9 in 1 versatility. Great for almost every kind of meal. Compact but high capacity. Fits in small kitchens yet cooks for multiple people. Fast and even cooking with 360 degrees hot air tech. Dishwasher-safe basket for easy cleanup. Sleek digital interface that's easy to use. Quiet operation. Warning: cons. It doesn't have a window or internal light, so you can't check food without opening it. Some users may find the beep volume a bit loud or too frequent, especially if you're cooking back-to-back. The non-stick coating is great, but like with all air fryers, you should avoid metal utensils to preserve it. Package bonus tips. White Heavy Checkmark use parchment paper liners to make cleanup even faster. White Heavy Checkmark preheat for crispier textures. White Heavy Checkmark try the Cosori mobile app for more recipes if you're using a smart version. Speech balloon final verdict. Overall, the Cosori 9 in 1 air fryer punches well above its weight. It's stylish, functional, and perfect for anyone who wants healthier meals without sacrificing flavor or texture. With its versatile presets, fast cooking times, and compact design, it's one of the best value air fryers on the market right now. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game or looking for a thoughtful gift, this air fryer is a solid choice. Pushpin links to purchase and discount codes, if available, are in the description below. Thumbs up, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more honest tech and home reviews. Let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you would cook in this Cosori air fryer? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.